Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I am finally on here, and a company reached out to me to review a hot glue gun. So we're going to review this product. I will link their shop down below in the description box if you want to go check them out. And it came in this nice sturdy box, so we're going to open it up and see what's in here. So sorry, the lighting is just, we're going to adjust the lighting real quick. Okay, so here it is. We're going to open up the box and we're going to see what is in here. First, we got some instructions. User manual. It's called BLEDS full-size hot glue gun. And you have the instructions, operation guide, the pieces, the structure and description. Okay. It comes with the hot glue gun, the cord, the finger pieces, and the glue sticks. Those are some nice glue sticks. So we are going to check this out. I like it when it comes with extra glue sticks, and I like that it has the on and off switch right here, so it's easy to access. Nice trigger thing there, and it has the light on it. Very nice, lightweight. Talks about the model there. Let's see, it has contact information on here. Okay. Okay, it says feature. This hot glue gun was made of quality PTC heating system, which heats fast and controls temperatures automatically to prevent the hot glue gun and the heating component be damaged for overheating. The heating temperature will not exceed the design temperature, so that's really nice. So connect the power cord to the glue gun, insert the glue stick into the glue gun, push the glue stick and squeeze the trigger a few times. Push the glue stick until it's firmly engaged with the heating part. Insert 2 glue sticks if the longer of the glue stick is shorter than 5.5 inches. Plug the hot glue gun, switch the power on, position, enter the startup state, and it has the wattage here. It says preheat 1 to 3 minutes. Press the trigger until the melted glue begins to flow through the nozzle. Okay, so we're going to try this out, and I'm going to pause you, and we're going to see how it goes. So we're going to plug it in. And I'm going to plug it in over here. Have to be careful here. Unplug. And then here is the on and off switch. There is the little light. So we're gonna wait 1 to 3 minutes for, well, we're gonna put a glue stick in. Glue stick, and we're going to stick it in there, and we're going to wait 1 to 3 minutes for it to get hot. So I'll be right back. Alright everyone, I have let this heat up for about 1 to 3 minutes, and we're going to demonstrate it just on this here. First of all, I'm not a fan of Halloween. I'm more into the harvest, pumpkins, leaves, apples, things like that, because I love fall. But I know other crafters are, so I try to craft a little bit for them, you know, on some things. And I don't like spiders, so yeah. Anyway, I'm making something that involves a spider for a crochet project and for Halloween, because I want to sell it. So, and I know, like I said, other people are into it, just not me so much. So what I did is I took some felt that I had purchased from Walmart. We're going to make a brooch is what we're going to do. I purchased these through Amazon. Get this opened. And I thought it had the little clip. We're going to make a little brooch. So here is the pin. And it just goes in there like that. Not really happy with this particular one because I thought it had a closure on it. So we're going to take some felt and we're going to put it on this. I tried to cut it out as best I could. I saw this done, I don't know if it was on Pinterest or what, but I couldn't find a brooch, a spider brooch. So this is what we're going to do. So I cut a piece of the felt. We're going to attach it with a hot glue gun. I like the spout on this. We're going to add, and it comes out nice. And we're going to turn it over. We're going to put it on the spider. It's hard to see in my camera. There we go. So there is the spider. Creepy. There is the felt. And what we're going to do is we're just going to hot glue this on here so we can make it a brooch. Alright, so let's add a little hot glue on here. I've never done this before, but it seems pretty easy making a brooch anyway. Okay, no string, no leaking, oops, no leaking, no string, and we're going to place it on top. Hold it down. So there is my brooch. Gonna let it dry. There we go. So that's what I made. If you're interested in these pins, I kind of wanted the lock ones, so I may reorder the lock brooches because I'm going to be making more of the project I'm working on, which I will show in a later video. I just wanted to demonstrate the hot glue gun, and I put this on a little crooked, but that's okay. So yeah, there it is, and then you just unhook it right there and hook it back up. Right there. Alright everyone, so I am happy with this hot glue gun. It did not leak out. Oh, I'll put it on the camera here. Pretty happy with it. It actually heated up quite quickly, less than 3 minutes I should say. And then you just turn it off right here. And the switch. Oops. And it's off. Sorry, I'm trying to get you in frame there. So yeah, I will link this shop down below in the description box. And I like the fact that it has quite a bit of glue in here, so it's always nice. Alright everyone, I hope you like this video, and thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now.